Del here with an update on some hats. Now this one is looking pretty sharp at the moment, and this is in addition to a hatband that I procured from the capital A. You can see it ties in the back. It's not affixed in any way right now. We're thinking of maybe putting some glue on it, but it enhances the look of the hat. It makes it look a little bit more cowboyish, a little bit more sleek, and that turquoise color in the front kind of goes with the green, and the brown sort of goes also with that light green. So it's kind of a neat deal. I'm pretty happy with the way this turned out, and I took a chance when I ordered the hatband out of very many choices, and so I think I picked the right one and the easiest one. Now this next one is a different style outfit. This is they call an Alpine hat, but to make it look a little more cowboyish and more gunslinger, I got this hatband, and again, I think out of many choices I picked the right one. So this hatband is metal, and what I was thinking of doing is leaving the Alpine band on and then just put this band over it, and I was thinking of sewing it on. So what I did was order some upholstery needles and thread, and one of the problems that when you turn the hat upside down, the hatband falls off, so there might be some other way, and so I looked at the do-it-yourself attach a hatband on the YouTube, and I didn't really see what anything that would help me along. But I do like this hat a lot. I think that hatband makes it look better. So that's the future plan for that one. And this one we don't have a hatband for, but it's a different style. So I'm thinking that it's going to be a different kind of hatband. And here this one has the string that goes underneath the neck so that the hat doesn't fly off when the wind blows. And I think too that a band might enhance the look of this one. So there you have it. And out of the three of them, I like this one the best. And actually, I like both of these. It just depends on what you're, kind of effect you're looking for. So there you have it. That's some do-it-yourself dough.